In this video, I will show you how to access the filter cartridge in your spa for cleaning or replacement. The filter cartridge should be cleaned every 3 months and replaced every 6 months. This can be done with or without water in the spa, although it is important to ensure power has been turned off to the spa to prevent water flow through the filter housing while the filter cartridge is being accessed. First, turn the filter basket lid counterclockwise and remove from the filter housing. Next, line up the flat sections on the filter basket with the tabs on the filter housing and remove the filter basket. Then, remove the filter cartridge to be cleaned or replaced. Next, insert the clean or new filter cartridge into the filter housing. Then, line up the flat sections on the filter basket with the tabs on the filter housing and insert. Last, replace the filter basket lid and turn clockwise to secure it to the housing.